Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my fidget spinners. Yay, let's get to it. I'm gonna do this video real fast because I have so many fidget spinners. I have like 50. Just kidding, I have like 19. So I got this one, this black one, this leaf one. And this is my fastest spinning one. Pretty fast, you can see. And it's very Here's my light up one. Light up. Is it dead? Don't be dead on me. Okay, one of them's dead. As you can see, is this. Spins like that. It looks really cool on camera, so I'll turn these lights off. Wait, and you can also do this. You can make it different. That's really cool. I like this one a lot. Okay, so that's my first fidget spinner. I mean, second fidget spinner. This is the one that my friend gave me. So it's actually really like balanced and very smooth. So you can do this with it. So it's really cool. I like the ones that have like these little bead things in it. I have like 5 bead ones that have like beads in them. So I got this one. It's like my green one. Has little beads in it. Once again. I like this one. I like all my fidget spinners, but they're like also cool. This is my favorite fidget spinner right here. It's spiky. It looks orange on camera, but really it's actually a pretty dark red. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, I sneezed. Alright. And I like this one because it's like suction cups on the sides. It's really cool. Okay, so I got the pokey one. I got this one. The yellow and green one. This used to be my favorite. That scared the bejesus out of me. Alright. So I got this. It used to be my fastest one, but then one came in and was like, I'm faster than you, bro. So I got my Roman Atwood one that I bought from Roman Atwood's YouTube channel. It's really cool. I like this one a lot because it's pretty fast, and I can make it stop by just squeezing it a little bit. So we got the signature. You can see right there. And I'm sorry that I haven't posted a video in so long. So I posted like 2 yesterday. And today I'm going to post like 2 today. I'm going to try to do 2 because like 2 every day. So because I haven't posted a video in a long time. Now I know how to post videos. My dad used to do it all the time. So we got this blue one. I love this one so bad. Because it's really cool. It's like blue. It's a dark blue, by the way. It looks really light. Like a light blue. Spins pretty fast. So, kill. Very kill. Okay, we have like 16 we have a lot. Just letting you guys know. Oh, okay. I'm like a little mutant creature. Dun. So we got this one. Alright, so I got this one. This is my crazy one because the middle part moves. Because I made some of it, like I took the bearings out inside, and and just did this, and it's really like it makes a weird sound. And if you put it on the table, it like moves around. It like walks down the table. So it's really cool. We got this another light up one. This one looks really cool. Get that light up one. We got this silver, like a mini silver fidget. I like it. I like this one. It's not too fast, but it's a fidget. So we got actually a gold one of those. A copper one. I like it. I like it a lot. So. I push it down. I push it down. I love that song. So, there you go. We got like a couple more, so I'm going to show you the rest real quick. So we got this one. Hold on, I gotta get this. Okay, I can't even get this open. Okay, so I got this one. This is one of my favorites because it looks really pretty. It's one of them. You can see. And I keep it in this special case, like this little case thing. So it doesn't like get damaged or anything. So I got this black one. Here, I'm gonna show you two at a time now. Because, you know. So I got my galaxy one and the black one. I like these ones. I got this basketball one. This red one. It looks orange on camera. This hypnosis one. Okay. And my last one right here is this golden one. It's really cool. So if you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below and subscribe. And tell me if you want me to do another video just like this. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace, subscribe, and have a great day.